Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading Corp. What we're showing you today, this is a Donaldson Torit dust collector. Of course, it's the UMA 250. There's your dust laden in it. We have it on some short steel legs just to store it. It does come with its stand. You'll see those pictures on our website under dust collectors, then the subset bag type. This has one single segmented bag in it. Of course, you'll see the Membrex explosion membrane in the back. You'll see it's very quiet. We're operating on 440 volts right now. On the side here, you'll see it does have the shaker motor to keep cleaning the bags. The two large service doors in the front, lifting lugs up top for installation. It also comes with an 8-inch steel airlock which mounts on the bottom, as well as a blast control system. We hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.